It's a new month. It's Monday. Let's do some sports. And we are going to start with the Black Satellites move to the Ghana Premier League. Then we do some European stories. Let's start with the Black Satellites. And they are scheduled to play Gambia in the semi-finals clash at the Stade Olympique today at 4 p.m. Let's come home and do some local stories. And the Ghana Premier League and Samuel Boadu has joined Hearts of Oak as the club's new head coach. On a 3-year deal, officials have confirmed. The Ghana Under-15 boys trainer's arrival has been well rumored in the past week and was followed by the surprise resignation from Mediama last Wednesday. The Hearts post has been vacant since Serbian trainer Costa Papic parted ways with the club. Hearts put faith in Under-15's coach Samuel Ninoy to lead the club. Nino has gathered the side to 2 wins against the Boadu and Liberty Professionals and a draw in yesterday's Super Clash with arch rivals Asante Kotoko. More local stories in the Women's Premier League. This is our own. It's still going on. Match day 6 and Northern Ladies beat Supreme Ladies 1-0. Kumasi Sports Academy beats Fabulous Ladies 2-1. In the Southern Zone, we saw games like Sea Lions losing at home to Immigration Ladies 1-0 and Berry Ladies drawing 2-2 with Lady Strikers. Let's fly to Europe, and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer took aim at the officials for taking 2 points away from his Man United side in their draw at Chelsea. The penalty appeal for handball against Callum Hudson-Odoi was turned down by referee Stuart Atwell, who upheld his decision after viewing it on the pitchside monitor. Let's now hear from Chelsea boss Thomas Tuchel, who has backed referee Stuart Atwell's decision to brush VAR aside and deny Manchester United a penalty against the Blues. Let's talk about another German, and Liverpool boss Jurgen Klopp says his side are still exciting places after beating Sheffield United to end a run of 4 successive Premier League defeats. The Reds returned to winning ways with a 2-0 victory over Blades and moved to within 2 points of the top 4 positions in the table. Now, Tottenham boss Jose Mourinho insists Gary Bale is better than ever and said any manager in the world will want him with the form he showed against Burnley. The Wales international delivered the most devastating impact of a second spell in North London with 2 goals and assists in a 4-0 victory against the Clarets. From Spurs, we move to their North London rivals, and as Arsenal, Mikel Arteta believes his side and Willian in particular are finally moving in the right direction after an impressive 3-1 comeback win at Leicester. David Luiz and Nicolas Pepe scored either side of Alexandre Lacazette's penalty at the King Power Stadium to move the Gunners into the top half. It's a weekend of a lot of fixtures, and it's match 26 in the EPL. Let's look at the results that went in during the weekend. And we saw games like City beating West Ham 2-1. Leicester obviously losing to Arsenal 3-1. Tottenham also beating Burnley 3-0. United and Chelsea was a goalless draw at the Stamford Bridge. Sheffield losing at home to Liverpool 2-0. And tonight we have Everton going head-to-head with Southampton. Let's go to La Liga now and talk about match week 25 and the fixtures that went on in Spain. Levante and Atletico Bilbao was a 1-1 draw. Barcelona went away and beat Seville 2-0. Getafe also beat Valencia 3-0. Villarreal and Atletico Madrid was a 2-0 win for Atletico Madrid. And tonight we have Real Madrid playing against Real Sociedad. Let's go to Italy, and it's Italian Serie A, and Hellas Verona and Juventus was a 1-1 draw over there in that game. Atalanta also winning against Sampdoria 2-0. Inter Milan beats in Genoa 3-0. Napoli versus Benevento was 2-0 win in favor of the Napolitans, and Roma and AC Milan was a big one there, but Milan got a victory 2-1 in that game. Let's go to Germany, and it's the Bundesliga, and Werder Bremen with Frankfurt was a 2-1 win for Bremen. Bayern Munich also beat Cologne 5-1. Dortmund also an emphatic win against Bielefeld 3-0. RB Leipzig thrashed Mönchengladbach 3-2 over there. Bayer Leverkusen versus Freiburg. Leverkusen losing at home to Freiburg 2-1. Let's go to France, Ligue 1, and it's Nice against Rennes. And we saw Nice going away to beat Rennes 2-1. PSG also winning on the road 4-0 against Dijon. AS Monaco versus Brest was 2-0 win for Monaco. Lille and Strasbourg was 1-1. And the derby in the French Ligue 1 was Marseille versus Lyon. It was a stalemate 1-1 over there in France. Let's do some more international stories in Spain. And Catalan Police say they have made several arrests after searching the offices of Spanish side Barcelona. The number of arrests made and the identity of those involved have not yet been confirmed. The police operation was conducted today after an investigation into financial issues at Barcelona. The club's presidential elections take place on Sunday after their previous president, Jose Maria Bartomeu, announced his resignation on October. Let's switch gears and do some boxing now. And Saul Canelo Alvarez beat Avni Yildirim to set up. From boxing, let's do some NBA now. LeBron James marked his 100,300 NBA regular season game by helping the Los Angeles Lakers to a 117-91 victory over the Golden State Warriors. James, who has won championship with 3 franchises, had 19 points plus 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals, and 2 block shots in 24 minutes. It's full time on MX Breaks. I am Selwyn Saki. Do have a great month.